Welcome. Today, we're diving into a quick and easy guide on how to turn on email notifications for memories on Facebook. If you love reminiscing about your past moments and want to be notified when they pop up, follow these simple steps. First, open the Facebook app on your mobile device. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all the settings. Next, look for the three horizontal lines in the top right corner of your screen. This is your menu icon, and tapping it will open up various options. Once the menu is open, scroll down until you find Settings and Privacy. Tap on it to expand more options, and then select Settings. This will take you to a new page where you can customize various aspects of your Facebook experience. Now, find and select Notifications. This section allows you to manage how and when you receive notifications from Facebook. It's essential to keep this organized so you don't miss out on important updates. In the Notifications menu, look for the option labeled Memories. Tap on it to access the settings specifically for memory notifications. Here, you'll see different options regarding how you want to be notified about your memories. Finally, toggle on email notifications. By enabling this option, you'll start receiving email alerts whenever Facebook has a memory to share with you. This way, you'll never miss a chance to look back at those cherished moments. And that's it. You've successfully turned on email notifications for memories on Facebook. Now, every time a special memory comes up, you'll get an email reminder so you can relive those moments right away. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on using Facebook effectively. Thank you for watching, and enjoy your journey down memory lane.